It's unreal. Hello everyone, welcome back to another adventure. So we're here today heading up the Lake Stream track, heading up to Lake Stream Hut. Off the bat, literally just off the road, crossing straight away. Alright, oh yeah, here we go, dead ahead. Come boy. Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Yeah, it's been raining maybe like almost a week straight, and it's the middle of summer. Crazy. Absolutely beautiful place. So look at the moss covered logs everywhere you look. Oh, hello. Hello. Where'd you come from? Come boy. Good boy. Go on, good boy. Not that way. Ginormous mushroom. This is extremely overgrown. Like that is the track. And you just get drenched because there's water just all over the leaves. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna have to focus up and push on. It's getting quite cold, just getting really wet. Oh yeah, that was a big step. Oh, just getting drenched. Oh, I'm so gutted that it's really cold today, because swimming in that would be amazing. This is unreal. Oh. My leg is in there deep. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Oh yeah. Tell you what, this terrain can be pretty tough. But it is beautiful. The amount of giant ass trees falling across. This is literally the track. At least I think it is. It's the most obvious of choices. Oh my gosh, very tight squeeze. Whew. Well, I'll be honest, this is far more challenging than I expected. we've already traveled, I think it said 8k, and the track itself said it's 6.8k, so it's a little bit confusing. And apparently we've already done nearly 1,000 meters of elevation, so things definitely aren't lining up. We need to get warm and dry as fast as possible. The track and the stream have become one. I could swear this is full of gold. Yeah, that's surely gold. It really genuinely looks like a bunch of gold. For now, most important thing is getting to this hut. This is like the first opening I've seen the entire track. And I wouldn't even call it an opening. Yes! Yes! There she is, way over there. Oh yeah, look at that. If I wake up tomorrow and there's a beautiful sunny day for me, I'll be very happy. You check that out though. We're on that rock, it's like there's just this big boulder sticking up out of the tip of it. Come on, boy. Oh, we made it. Lake Stream Biv. It appears someone's done some tidying up in here. A little bit of a renovation. Nice. Thank you to whoever did that. It's not covered in mold like the photos I've seen. Oh, hut tour time, but I think you've seen it. Really not much to it. Little desk, 2 bunks. It's basically just big enough to stand up in. Well, unfortunately I think the fire's gonna be sizzling out. There's just not enough dry wood here. Everything is just drenched to the bone. See you guys in the morning. One last look at the Biv. Alright, gotta say goodbye to this absolutely beautiful place. I really hope that sun comes out quite strong soon. Alright, see you on the trail. Oh, this spot is just beautiful. Really nice, deep water. Well, the sun is just not playing ball. It's just constant cloud cover. I really wanted to go swimming, but I don't think it's a good idea. That's alright though. Had a good time. Really nice, really beautiful place to stop. Making good time considering we stopped for quite a while, probably over an hour. Yeah, I'll see you back at the truck. Hey, we made it. Truck's just up ahead. Oh, absolutely epic trip. Definitely do not underestimate this walk. It is far harder than it seems, so plan for it to be so. Don't do it on a cold day. Find yourself a nice hot day to do it, and it's going to be much more enjoyable. Thank you everyone for coming along on this adventure. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. There's plenty more to come. Alright, see you on the next one.